Why, it's been a long day, and when it is one of those busy days, you might be on the go and want to eat something quickly. And if you're like me and enjoy Indian cuisine, the frozen food section at your Indian store has a variety of options. I've done a video on Vadilal quick treats and some of the other Indian brands that are out there, and so I picked up another Vadilal quick treat, which is Paneer 65. Now, honestly, my familiarity with the 65 only came up a couple years ago because I was back home, and I guess my brother enjoys chicken 65 from the Indian store's frozen food section. And I said to my mother, what the hell is chicken 65? So in looking it up, the origins of it are fascinating in that it is unclear where chicken 65 exactly came from. It may have been developed in 1965, some say. Some say a hotelier developed it using 65 different spices in it. Others have said it's to be made with 65-day-old chickens, which all of these seem quite off base. What's most important is the 65, for whatever reason. Now, honestly, if you didn't know, in parts of India, they've changed the Sammy Hagar song, I Can't Drive 55, to I Can't Drive 65, purely out of their love for chicken 65, or Paneer 65 in this case. Okay, I completely made that up, just like the origins of chicken 65. Who knows? Sammy Hagar invented chicken 65, for all I know. Anyway, with the popularity of chicken 65 came vegetarian options like Paneer 65 or cauliflower, and this from Vadilal, spiced cottage cheese and cauliflower dumplings. So, as a vegetarian, it's combined both paneer and cauliflower into it. Looking from the ingredients, definitely not 65 spices in it for at least this frozen microwaved version of Paneer 65. So, I'm going to go ahead, open this up. All you need to do, fork that top, put it into your microwave for, it says 4 minutes. I'm going to put it in for 5, have it be a little extra spicy and hot. Make sure it's thoroughly cooked. And then we'll go ahead and try it out in a second. So be back in 5 minutes with some Paneer 65 along with some paratha and rice. And so now we see the Paneer 65 as it came out of the microwave. Very hot. You see the variety of onions, chilies, the cauliflower, as well as the paneer. So I'll get this onto a plate, see how it tastes. So we have the Paneer 65 here, some rice, some paratha. I'm just going to go ahead and try a bite of each. Here we are with paneer. Okay, that's fine. The spices are kicking in. Now let's go ahead, try one of the cauliflower pieces. And so yes, for a microwavable Vadilal, certainly has a spicy kick. If you're into the 65, it is enjoyable. Might like a little yogurt with it, with all those spices, but honestly, this was $5.99, whereas a paneer, palak paneer or paneer tikka masala or other paneer options there, Matar paneer, were $4.99. So, 65 takes it up another $1. I don't know why, but it's fine. But honestly, I would take one of the more paneer curry options if needing a quick treat from Vadilal. So that's it. Any comments? Leave them below. If you did like this video, please do like it. Do subscribe to the channel. As more needs for quick treats or other such microwavable goods comes up in my life, I'll try them out.